I'm going to be playing the pregnant mama and my beloved Faylene, who is my neighbor. I'm actually just going to make up, you have 8 scenarios in here, but I'm just going to make up a scenario. She's my neighbor, and again, it is so icy, I can't even get out of my driveway to go to the hospital, let alone find my husband, because he's stuck in a snowstorm somewhere. And she's my neighbor. I managed to get a friend to go get her. She just arrived at my house. This is my 9th baby, so I have rapid precipitous deliveries, pretty quick births, okay? And because my uterus is just a little bit tired, maybe because I've had a lot of babies back to back, I'm just going to need a little bit of help getting my placenta out and just normal massage to get a little bit of bleeding to stop, but it's not going to be that much. And we're just going to kind of role model what we just showed you. Okay, because sometimes with a mom who's healthy and is a first-time mom or something, or first, second, third, she might not have any problems at all. But if you get somebody that has lots of babies, their uterus could be just slightly a little bit less firm at the end, and just need a little more help. Especially if they've had them quickly. And if you've had a precipitous birth, it can be a little bit harder on the uterus, and it just gets a little tired. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and just make sure that this is under 10 minutes, and you can pause it and then start it again if you have to. Okay, so I'm going to have this little baby inside here, and normal position with the back to front. The cord's around the baby's neck, it looks like.
Yes, it is.
And thank you for that. That's a good idea, because that happens in close to 40% of cases. So, okay, we're gonna go right into character.
Okay.
Oh, I hope she comes soon. Oh dear Jesus, please bring her. Bring my neighbor Faye.
Sure.
Faye! Oh, I tried to call Kevin.
Said you were in labor.
He's stuck in a snowstorm, and I can't get out of the driveway. I'm so glad you're here.
My car's
goodness.
stuck too.
Oh, there's another one. This isn't what I was planning. My birth plan is, I was supposed to be at a birth center, but that's okay.
Weren't they going to induce you next Monday?
Oh, if I didn't have it, yeah. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to get induced. Oh gosh, praise God. Okay.
Last time you almost didn't make it to the hospital, honey.
I know. I feel like it's coming actually. It's coming. I don't want to tear.
Yeah, nice and slow. Breathe
Okay, heads up.
out.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go on my side for a minute. It's so
Spread this
pressure.
towel out. Okay. I got your leg. I got your leg.
Okay.
Ready to push?
Yeah. Here goes.
Okay. Okay, baby's out. Baby's out.
There's baby.
There you go.
Oh, my baby. Oh gosh. Praise God. Baby born. Was the cord around her neck?
Yes, I had to
She's a girl.
somersault her right on out.
Oh, she's a girl. I knew it. I didn't have them look, but I knew it. I knew the Lord told me it was a girl. I know, baby girl. You gonna come around?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, it's a baby. She's so cute.
Want a blanket?
She's coughing, but she's not actually bleeding. Wait a minute. I just want to do it.
Okay.
I just want to do it myself. It's okay,
Yeah.
sweetie Crystal. It's okay, Crystal. You're with Mommy. And Faye's here, looky. Auntie Faye. She's spitting up stuff. Is there something to wipe it?
Yes.
Oh, there she goes. Good girl. Oh, perfect. Oh, my baby. She's doing better, isn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you dry her a little bit and change the cloths out for me?
Yes.
I'm gonna lay her right here in between my breasts so that she can.
Oh, that's the perfect place for her.
Oh yeah, look at her, little baby, sweet little Crystal. I love you, baby. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming.
I'm so glad I can help you.
Oh my goodness, Faye. I don't know what I would have done if you weren't home. Praise God for you.
Where could I go in this storm?
That's right. One blessing in the storm, isn't it? Oh, thank you so much, dear sister. I appreciate you.
Okay.
Oh dear, I feel funny. I feel lightheaded.
Mm-hmm.
I feel kind of lightheaded,
Here.
actually.
Here's the blanket.
Okay.
You
I
are
don't know if
bleeding a bit.
Something's up because I'm feeling really drained suddenly.
Mm-hmm. Here. Here's some water.
Oh, good. Oh.
I put some honey in it.
I wonder if you have any of that angelica root tincture, because it helps when I'm feeling like this after, if my placenta hasn't come yet.
Just a minute.
Oh, baby, you're good.
I think this is it.
Good. Oh, perfect.
Okay. Oh, it burns a bit, huh?
It does.
This is the alcohol one.
That's good though. Okay, I'm gonna push.
Okay. Light traction.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that felt better. Okay. Did it all come out okay?
I haven't checked it yet.
Okay. But
All the blood
nothing's-
gets under my fingernails. I need some gloves.
Okay.
I'll check the kitchen.
Okay. I'm not bleeding though, okay?
It's not bad.
Okay, good.
Okay.
I'm just gonna feel it. Oh, it feels
it
really
feel?
soft. I think can you massage for me?
Yes, just a second. Yeah, this is complete.
Okay. Good, because I've had it retained before, so I wanted to make sure.
Okay. I'm just gonna give you a little support here at the pubic bone.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's hardening up better.
And baby's nursing. Baby's started nursing. Oh, baby's nursing.
It does start to loosen up again pretty fast down here, so I'm just gonna keep a little bit of pressure on it.
Okay, and with baby
Just-
nursing, I think it's gonna help.
Just a little extra stimulation, nothing bad.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Starting to feel a little better. I wonder if I could have another drink of fluids.
Yeah.
Is that electrolyte drink there? Yes.
Okay. I didn't know you had the electrolyte drink.
Yeah, I made it with the lemons this morning because I started feeling crampy, but I didn't know it was going to get this bad. I didn't know it was going to come so fast and so quick.
Your
Thank
uterus
you
is staying
so
firm
much.
now.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
Bleeding slowed.
Oh, can I have a bigger blanket? I'm a bit cold and shaky. Oh, can I have that blue one? Yeah. Oh, baby's so cute. Oh, what a sweetie little lady.
The kids are all excited in the other room. As soon as you want them in, we can let them know.
Oh, I think they could come now. They
Yeah.
want to see baby. Tell
Okay, guys.
Giselle to bring them all in.
Giselle, will you please bring the kids in? It's time to meet the new baby.
Hi, sweeties. Look at Mommy has new baby came so fast. Come see. Yeah, you can come. You can come touch her arm. Come touch her hand. Greet your baby sister. Aw, yeah, I know. Isn't she cute? She's so sweet. Praise God for you, little Crystal.